Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to jump right in and talk about how to create recurring tasks in Todoist. It's a task that can seem intimidating, but don't worry, we've got you covered with the complete 2025 guide. First things first, open the Todoist app on your device or computer. The reason we do this is, well, it's where everything happens. You'll need to be logged into your account, so if you're not, go ahead and take care of that right away. Next up, click on the plus icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the app, to add a new task. This is where you'll input the task you'd like to make recurring. Now that we've done that, you'll see a variety of options for your task. One of these is the schedule option. Click on it and type in the frequency with which you'd like the task to recur. You could type something like every day, every Monday, or even every first day of the month. Todoist is incredibly flexible and understands many different types of recurring patterns. This helps us because it allows us to tailor our recurring tasks to our specific needs. But let's pause for a second. Let me explain why this matters. By setting up recurring tasks, you're freeing up mental space. No need to remember when to do something. The app will do it for you. And it's not just about not forgetting. It's about creating habits, routines, and ultimately, achieving your goals. Next, you'll want to add any relevant details to your task. This can include labels, priorities, and even comments. While this step is not necessary for the task to recur, it can help you better manage and categorize your tasks. After you've added all the details to your task, simply click on Add Task. And just like that, you've created a recurring task. It'll appear in your Today or Upcoming view depending on when it's scheduled to happen next. And that's it. You've successfully created a recurring task in Todoist. Now you can streamline your productivity and never forget an important task again. Remember, the key is consistency, and this simple tool can help you achieve just that. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one.